Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the laptop model and why that matters. Different vendors invert FN behavior. Once done, make sure you back up BIOS settings or take photos. This prevents accidental loss. Next, locate the FN, ESC, or dedicated FN lock key and note any F1, F12 icon labels so you know current functions. Then shut down and power on while pressing the BIOS key, often F2 or delete, or, if your OS supports it, open the manufacturer's hotkey utility to begin changing FN behavior. Once inside the BIOS or the vendor utility, navigate to the keyboard or advanced section where action keys or function key mode appears. Change the default from multimedia to function keys or vice versa, depending on whether you want F1, F12 to act as standard F keys or media shortcuts. Make sure to save and exit, typically F10 then enter, so changes persist. If you're in Windows and using a manufacturer app, toggle the equivalent setting like swap FN and control or function key behavior. Then test immediately. To finish, reboot and test the F keys in common apps. Press F5 to refresh, F2 to rename, so you confirm the new default. If behavior did not change, return to BIOS and reset to defaults, then reapply the setting. Also reinstall the laptop's hotkey or ATK driver. Make sure to try holding FN for alternate actions. If issues persist, use manufacturer driver tools before third-party remappers. And remember, restoring BIOS backups or resetting the OS keyboard driver usually resolves stubborn mapping conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.